Hi, and welcome to 4444 West Point Loma Boulevard, unit number 54, in beautiful Ocean Beach, San Diego. This adorable top floor end unit will capture your heart the minute you walk in. It's an oversized one-bedroom with fresh paint, new vinyl floors, updated kitchen and bath, a walk-in closet, vinyl window and slider, a large balcony, and an off-street parking space. Tons of natural light, multiple ceiling fans, open concept living, only one shared wall, and no one above you. This unit is better than the rest. Point Loma Villas is a well-run complex just blocks to the beach. It has a clubhouse, sauna, a sparkling pool, and reasonable HOA dues. Live where you can hop on your bike, walk, or stroll to restaurants, shops, cafes, and the beach. Easy freeway access gets you anywhere you're going quickly. You are just minutes to Ocean Beach, which is known for its charm and character and a funky beach style all its own. It's quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. If you love beach living, what are you waiting for? This is Southern California at its best, and you deserve it. Call me today to make this your dream home.